Now we're going to get the rumba to get all the spots that we missed. Thank you, rumba.
Hey everyone, so we're doing another video. Today we are doing creme brulee. Over there, Mike is getting cream ready. 2 1/4 cups of cream in a small pot on low heat. Here I'm going to separate 6 eggs because we need 6 egg yolks. Most simple way, I'm sure everybody knows how to do it. Crack the egg in half, so, and then let the egg white fall out. Go back. In the bowl that the egg yolks are going, I already have the sugar. You don't need any fancy gimmick gadget. Like that. Into the other bowl. The camera's not on the other bowl, but that's okay. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. So as you see here, we have the egg yolks and the sugar in the bowl. And we're just going to start whisking.
Whisk, whisk, whisk.
Whisk, whisk, whisk. Got the cream heating up over there. Basically, you want to whisk till your arm feels like it's ready to fall off. And make sure all the sugar is dissolved. Now, if you come over here though to the cream, you want this warming up slowly, but when you start seeing bubbles around the edge, is when you want to turn off the heat, because we're going to temper the cream into the eggs. And we're going to slowly,
very slowly,
add the cream.
adding the cream.
The last thing we want is scrambled eggs.
Nope, do not want scrambled eggs.
There you go. Now Mike's going to get me another bowl. Bigger one, yeah. Now, where's that sieve? So now what we're going to do, just in case any of the egg cooked, we're just going to pour this through. Catch any lumps. Oh, did good.
No lumpage.
No lumpage. Okay. Okay, so to get everything even, now we're going to ladle in the custard into the ramekins. I'm going to go about 3/4 of the way up. Okay, so once your ramekins are 3/4 of the way full, like that, then we're going to fill up the baking pan with the hottest water you can get from your tap, about halfway up the ramekins. So be very careful pouring this in. You're going to get water on the floor. given. And this goes into preheated oven, set to 325 degrees. Carefully. And now we're going to walk away for about a half hour. Half hour, 35 minutes, come and check. Okay, so it's been about a half hour. Time for these to come out. So now, as you can see, a little bit of jiggle, a little bit of play. That's what you want. So now we're going to put these on a cooling rack, uncool completely, and then into the fridge for a couple hours. So as we were doing this one as a test, Mike's torch died, so we couldn't do the other ones. So alternatively, if you do not have a torch, you could use a lighter. It's going to take a while, or put them under the broiler in the oven until the sugar caramelizes. Okay, so you don't want to leave these in too long, maybe 4 minutes. You don't want to go any farther than that. You do not want to burn the sugar. Oh, that's a bit warm. And there you go. Some of the sugar may not be totally melted. That's okay, because you don't want to toast them too much, because you don't want to have burnt sugar. Okay, now it's time for the Kraken and the money shot. Oh, there it is. How does it taste, Mike? How does it taste? How is it?
Very good.
Very good?
If I said it tastes like, yeah, almost like vanilla ice cream.
Sweet?
Very nice.
I did my job. Well, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.